Hello guys, it's TTM again, and today I will be talking about a mid-range PC build that offers great price to performance. But it comes with its own risks. But before we start, I just wanted to let you know that I post videos regularly every Thursday. So make sure to subscribe and ring the notifications bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's roll the intro. First of all, this challenge has some rules.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
1. The only site you can use is Aliexpress. 2. Shipping is not included. 3. The max price is $500. 4. No coupons can be used. 5. Must run all new games. Features like SATA 3 NVMe Gen 4 PCIe and aesthetics get extra points. First thing is the processor. It's a bit fiddly, but it's worth the price cut. It is the Intel QTJ2, which is a BGA to LGA Frankenstein. It rocks 6 cores and 12 threads, running at a base clock of 2.4 GHz, and boosts up to 4.3. And the best part is it can be overclocked to 4.5 GHz on all cores. All this goodies will cost you $95. You might want to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss the review on the CPU. The next thing is the motherboard. This CPU can somehow run on 100 series boards. It really goes to show that Intel didn't change much architecturally. So the motherboard that I picked up is the gamingabhay.b 150 HD3. This motherboard rocks pretty nice features for the price, such as 4 DIMM slots, M.2 slots, decent VRM set, and a decent enough IO. And you can get it for $45. For RAM, prices have gone down a bit. So I decided to get an 8x2 kit of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. This needs no explanation. The kit costs $70. But there are plenty of choices to get, from $20 and higher. And storing all of our games is a 512 GB NVMe drive from Relatech. It's a very good brand of SSDs, with a known brand controller, onboard cache and great read-write speeds. It costs $60 and it's worth every penny of it. Cooling our CPU is a 240mm AIO from Dark Flash. It's a really cool unit. It has really quiet fans and great performance. And we will be able to achieve great overclocks with our CPU. Last but not least, the PSU. This unit is a 650 watt from a good brand, AIO, which for $60 comes with black cables, black coating, and most importantly bronze rating. And let's put the cherry on top, the GPU. And for this build I got the RX 584 GB. And for $145, it gives great performance at 1080p. If you didn't notice, I didn't mention a case, which means that case deals on AliExpress are pretty bad. It also costs a fortune to ship it worldwide, so I decided that I won't use any case at all. So I advise you to get a cheap but good case like the Cooler Master Masterbox QL300 or the NZXTH510. As a conclusion, this build offers both great bang for the buck as well as great upgrade path, which is important for future-proofing a machine to last long without needing to spend on it again. And that was it for today, folks. Make sure to subscribe and leave your thoughts down in the comments. And see you all in another episode.